Hello everyone, this is the introduction of the garage, and here is our first project car. This is a 1999 BMW Z3. It's got about 101,000 miles on it. It's the 2.3 liter engine. It is a convertible top. Just to give you a brief overview of what this guy looks like, it's a little rough, as you can see. Front fender, front bumper probably is going to need a repaint or a replacement. That badge, something to be forgotten. Next, we've got the hood here that needs a little bit of work. Overall, I mean, it's in rough shape. However, the price that this car was bought at is absolutely ridiculous. So we bought this car for $500. Yes, 500 bucks. The interior is in pretty good shape. It is an automatic. Yes, I know everybody's gonna say, why didn't you get it in a manual? However, due to the deal and the condition of the vehicle, we just stuck with the automatic. Going around the rest of the car, here's a view of the side. Here's a view. Here's a view of the back, some of the wheels. Actually, I put some tire shine on it. Tires look pretty good. The top, it's a little bit rough. Probably going to replace it. Back window, missing. There it is. Will definitely need to be replaced. View from the back. Let's see if I can get something good for you guys here. 2.3 BMW. The back doesn't look that bad. It's in a little rough shape. However, we'll make it work. There's another view from the side. I did replace this antenna with the short antenna. It's kind of got a little bit of carbon fiber in it. I don't know if you guys can tell. See, there you go. Does that work? Yes, sir. Here it is from the other side. From the passenger side, driver's side. Gauges. Seat condition. Overall, not bad, huh? For the price. This is going to be a fun little roadster once we're done with it. Here it is from the side. I like these gills. They look pretty nice. Went out to the front. Here is a view of the engine. Changed the intake on it already. Something a little cooler looking. Not expecting a lot of performance from that, but looks cool nonetheless. This is the 2.3 liter engine. I believe it has about 170 horsepower. It's not really putting out a lot of power. However, this is not meant to be a super fast car. Here's a little short exhaust clip for you guys. And that's the end of the introduction to the Z3 project car. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with the Z3 project and all of our other video uploads. Till next time, drive steady.